Hello everyone, it's your boy Tim back again. If you're new here, make sure you drop a like and make sure you subscribe. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about Adsense Arbitrage. In my last video, I talked about it. I showed you guys some proof of how I was able to be making consistent income ranging from $50 to $100 on a daily basis. And with time, things are going to get crazier. Now, I told you guys if you're interested in how to do that, you should message me on WhatsApp or my Instagram. So a number of people did after the video, and like 5 of them are already getting results on their website. Now, some of them that don't have their AdSense approved are still trying to get their own monetized. Now, if you have your AdSense approved, in just 3 to 5 days, you're going to start seeing massive results on your blog. I mean, like increase in revenue, like consistent increase in revenue. Also, note that this method I'm going to teach you guys is safe. We are following Google's principles, their terms and conditions. We are not breaking any laws. This is not like any of those tricks they use to boost earnings, and at the end of the day, Google is going to ban them and stuff. Now, if you know about Remedy Nwankwo, he's one of the most popular bloggers in Nigeria, and he's one of the richest as well. So I was opportune to get his course through a friend and stuff. So I got a whole lot of knowledge. Now I'm going to put up a screenshot of the guy's earnings. So something like this, he's making a lot of money on his blog. Like, he has a lot of blogs and he's making crazy amounts of money from it. So from the screenshots that I'm going to put up, you guys can see that this is actually real. Now you can look up for his name on Facebook, see his pages and stuff, how he's actually teaching people and making people millionaires in naira and in dollar. So with the whole thing I learned from him, all right, I also want to let it out here on my channel, because what I do here is whenever I see something that works, I will come to this channel and teach you guys. So the reason why I don't want to let out this one for free is because this is a life-changing knowledge. This will change your life within the shortest period of time. So if I let it out as usual, people are not going to value it. So I want you guys to pay a price for it so that you take it serious, and then it will change your life. So I showed you guys my own proof in my last video, because I just finished learning the whole thing just recently. I started implementing the whole thing on my site and it's working out. So you can just hit me up on Instagram or on my WhatsApp, then we can get you started. If you don't have your AdSense approved, no problems, just hit me up on Instagram or WhatsApp. If you have your own approved, good to go. Hit me up on WhatsApp or on Instagram. Now, if you have your AdSense approved and you want to sell it, well, also hit me up on WhatsApp or on Instagram. Let's get you started. So with this whole thing, you can start making $50 to $100 and even more. So feel free, let's get this started. So this is actually going for a very little amount. I don't want to talk much, because in this course, I'm going to be teaching you guys 3 basic arbitrage systems. Now I'm talking about the Facebook arbitrage system. Now Facebook seems to be rampant. A lot of people are talking about it, but trust me, this is not what you already know. This is something that can change your whole mindset about Facebook ads and all of that. So I'm going to be teaching you guys a lot of things, a lot of secret stuff that can help you to get started and can start making a lot of money using your blog. Okay, now I'm going to be teaching you guys Propeller Ads Arbitrage and also Adsense Ads Arbitrage. Okay, so don't feel that you've known it all. Just hit me up. I don't charge more, just a chunk of change, so that you guys will take it serious. So yeah, so just hit me up on Instagram or WhatsApp. This is my number down there in the description. Message me, let's get you started. So with that being said, make sure you follow me on Instagram. Make sure you subscribe right here on the series. So with that being said, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Stay safe.